Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure image optimization with TinyPNG and WordPress step by step clearly. To configure image optimization with TinyPNG and WordPress, start by accessing your WordPress dashboard. Look for the Plugins section on the left-hand menu. Click on Add New to find new plugins for your site. In the search bar, type TinyPNG to locate the TinyPNG plugin. Once you find it, click on the Install Now button. After installation, click on the Activate button to enable the plugin on your site. Next, navigate to the settings for the TinyPNG plugin. You may find it under the Settings menu or directly in the main menu. Now, you need to create an account with TinyPNG. Visit the TinyPNG website and sign up for an account if you don't have one. After logging in, locate your API key in the dashboard. Copy the API key to your clipboard. Return to your WordPress dashboard and paste the API key into the TinyPNG settings. Ensure you save your changes after pasting the key. Now you can configure additional settings based on your preferences. Decide whether you want to optimize images automatically upon upload. You can also choose to optimize existing images within your media library. To optimize existing images, navigate to the Media section in your WordPress dashboard. Select the images you want to compress and look for the TinyPNG optimization option. Click on it to start the optimization process for your selected images. You will see a progress bar indicating the compression status. Once completed, the images will be optimized, reducing their file size significantly. To verify the optimization, check the media library for the compressed images. You can also monitor your website speed using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights. This will show you the impact of image optimization on your site's performance. Congratulations, you have successfully configured image optimization using TinyPNG and WordPress. Your images are now optimized for better loading times and improved user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.